Today we're in Austin, Texas for an unforgettable boat tour on Lady Bird Lake. Lady Bird Lake, right in the heart of Austin, is the perfect spot to experience the city from a new angle. Our tour starts in the late afternoon just as the golden hour lights up the skyline. Look at those buildings, from modern skyscrapers to historic landmarks. Austin's mix of old and new is breathtaking. This tour is all about seeing Austin's urban jungle from the water, and trust me, it's a vibe. We're soaking in the stunning city skyline, and as the sun sets, we'll witness one of nature's coolest spectacles, the flight of Austin's famous Mexican free-tailed bats. Stick around for an adventure that's equal parts urban and wild. Austin is home to the largest urban bat colony in the world. About 1.5 million Mexican free-tailed bats live under the Ann W. Richards Congress Avenue Bridge, just a few feet away from where we are now. They come out at dusk to hunt for bugs, and it's a show you have to see. The bats weren't always Austin's mascots. In 1980, the Congress Avenue Bridge was renovated, creating narrow crevices between concrete beams. These gaps unintentionally became perfect roost for Mexican free-tailed bats, offering warmth, darkness, and protection from predators. As the sun dips below the horizon, we're positioning our boat for the main event. Any minute now, those bats are gonna take flight. The vibe is electric. Look at all those people waiting to see this natural wonder. Initially, Austinites feared the bats, fueling calls for their extermination. Biologist Merlin Tuttle, through Bat Conservation International, launched a public education campaign in the 1980s, highlighting the bat's ecological value. His efforts turned the tide, transforming the bats into a celebrated tourist attraction that now brings in roughly $10 million annually. Lady Bird Lake isn't just about the skyline. It's a thriving ecosystem. The lake is home to fish, turtles, ducks, and other bird species. Lady Bird Lake is technically a reservoir created in 1960 by the Longhorn Dam to cool the Holly Power Plant and control flooding. On our boat tour, we glided across this amazing man-made lake, marveling at the skyline, all thanks to former First Lady, Lady Bird Johnson's vision for a greener Austin, who championed its beautification project. Her legacy makes the lake a living tribute to environmental stewardship. There they go, look at that! These Mexican free-tailed bats are tiny, about the size of your hand. What's so cool about this tour is how it blends Austin's urban energy with its wild side. The bats aren't just a quirky attraction, they're a reminder of how cities can coexist with nature. Austin embraces these bats, and it's made them a symbol of the city's weird, wonderful spirit. Thousands of bats are pouring out, creating this incredible swirling cloud against the Austin skyline. It's like a scene from a nature documentary, but we're right in the middle of a city. The colony is a maternity roost with about 1 million pregnant females arriving into Austin each spring. That's March and April. In June, each gives birth to a single pup, doubling the population to 2 million by August. Pups learn to fly by late July, making August the peak viewing time. Mothers use sound and scent to find their pups among thousands in the nursery crevices on the bridge's north end. Each night, The colony consumes up to 30,000 pounds of insects, including mosquitoes, moths, and other agricultural pests. This saves Texas farmers an estimated $1.4 billion annually in pesticide costs. A single bat can eat 20,000 pest eggs just in one night. Thanks to these bats, our boat tour is not only scenic, but also bite-free. People from all over come out at dusk to witness this awesome natural spectacle. The lake is buzzing with activity. Kayakers, paddleboarders, and even rowers from the University of Texas. It's such a chill way to enjoy Austin's outdoor culture right in the heart of the city. Protecting the bats means keeping the lake clean and supporting conservation efforts. If you want to learn more, check out the Austin Bat Refuge or join a tour like this one to see them in action. Mexican free-tailed bats are built for speed, reaching up to 100 miles per hour with tailwinds and flying as high as 10,000 feet to hunt. Their long, narrow wings make them agile navigators, spiraling in columns visible for miles. That's a wrap on our Austin boat tour. From the jaw-dropping skyline to the mind-blowing bat flight, this experience is pure magic. If you're ever in Austin, book a boat tour and see it for yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel adventures. Until next time, keep exploring and enjoy life.